7. Preconstruction project's construction timeline. The construction timeline for a pre-construction project can vary significantly depending on the type of project, its size, complexity, and various other factors. Developers typically provide estimated timelines in their marketing materials and contracts, but it's important to understand that construction timelines are subject to change due to unforeseen issues or delays. Here's a general outline of the construction timeline for a typical pre-construction project. 1. Pre-construction phase. Planning and permits, months to years. Before construction begins, there is a planning phase during which the developer obtains the necessary permits, conducts site surveys, and finalizes project plans. This phase can take several months to a few years, depending on the project's scope and regulatory requirements. 2. Construction commencement, site preparation, 1 to 3 months. Once permits are obtained, the site is prepared. This includes clearing the land, excavation, and laying the foundation. Superstructure, 6 to 18 months. The construction of the superstructure, which includes the building's framework and structural components, begins. This phase can vary significantly in duration, depending on the project's size and complexity. 3. Interior and exterior work, interior finishes, 3 to 12 months. After the superstructure is in place, the interior finishes are added. This includes the installation of walls, floors, ceilings, plumbing, electrical, and HVAC systems. Exterior finishes, 3 to 12 months. Simultaneously, exterior work is completed. This involves the installation of exterior cladding, windows, doors, and roofing. 4. Amenities and common areas, 3 to 12 months. For condominiums and residential developments, amenities and common areas, such as fitness centers, swimming pools, and communal spaces, are constructed during this phase. 5. Quality control and inspections. Quality assurance and inspections throughout construction. Ongoing inspections are conducted to ensure that construction meets safety and quality standards. 6. Final inspections and regulatory approvals. Final inspections, 1 to 2 months. Once construction is complete, final inspections are performed to obtain the necessary regulatory approvals and certificates of occupancy. 7. Punch list and remediation, 1 to 3 months. Before turning over the property to buyers, a punch list is created, addressing any outstanding issues or defects. The developer addresses these items during this phase. 8. Project completion. Project handover, closing. After all necessary approvals and inspections are obtained, the project is officially completed. The keys are handed over to buyers, and the property is transferred. The total duration of the construction timeline can range from 1 to 3 years for smaller projects to several years for larger and more complex developments. It's important to note that project delays can occur due to various factors, including weather conditions, labor shortages, supply chain issues, and unforeseen construction challenges. Developers typically provide regular updates to buyers throughout the construction process, and buyers are encouraged to stay in communication with the developer to get a clear understanding of the project's progress. When entering into a pre-construction agreement, it's advisable to carefully review the estimated construction timeline and understand the developer's policies regarding delays and extensions. Additionally, it's important to have a contingency plan for temporary accommodation if the completion date is delayed.